Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to install a desktop client for Instagram on Ubuntu 20.04. So obviously there is a web page for Instagram that you can use, but the desktop client lets us have a application to itself to use Instagram, and it also looks a lot better without all this top Firefox nonsense. So open up your terminal. You can do this by hitting Ctrl-Alt-T on your keyboard. And once it's open, you can type in sudo snap install Instagram. The way you spell it is ISTEKRAM, and hit enter. Type in your sudo password, and let's wait for it to install. You can see that it says ISTEKRAM Instagram 0.1.1 from Mert Kandemir has installed. So now we can use it, and you can press your super button, which is probably your Windows key on your keyboard, and type in IST, and it should come up with Instagram, a camera icon, and click on it for it to open. The first time you open it, it may take a few seconds, maybe even minutes, for it to load, as it needs to set up Instagram for the first boot. So you can see it opened for me, and the Instagram icon is showing, and this basically looks exactly like our web page. So now you can type in your phone number, username, or password, and or email and password, and then press login. So I will do that right now. Once you log in, it should pop up with your home page. You can see that my feed is showing here. I can view all the stories that pages have posted, and I can keep scrolling. I can also click these three dots to unfollow, go to post, share, copy link, embed, or cancel. Not only that, but if you click this aeroplane button, you can access your direct messages, which lets you talk to someone in their DMs. So you can click either this button or this icon here of your profile picture to access your page. So I will show you mine right now. You can see I haven't posted anything, and this is my profile. I can go back to home by clicking this Instagram button or clicking this home button. The search button lets me search for people, and I can also view videos in this without it being really laggy. So let me show you an example. So if I scroll down and find you a video, so you can see it says when developer try to build project. So I can click this and it should play real smooth. You can see that it played really nicely without it lagging, because I have noticed that on other Instagram wrappers, desktop clients, it lags a lot when playing a MP4 file. So if I open up my web browser real quick and go to snapcraft.io, I can go to the store and I can search for Instagram. So if I hit search, you will see that there are multiple results. So you can see this Instagraph, this Instagram port, this Instagram, which is the one we are using, and these are other things which are irrelevant. So out of these three, I have tried all of them, and I have noticed that these Instagraph and Instagram port both cannot handle videos very well, while Instagram works like a charm. It works really well, the videos play really smoothly, while these ones take ages to load up. And the UI of this is fantastic, so I absolutely recommend you downloading this one. So now I will show you how to set a keybind to open up Instagram or Instagram. So let's close it first and let's open up the terminal. So I will write clear, and if I type in ISTEKRAM, you will notice that our desktop client opens up. So give it a sec, and you can see that our desktop client opened up. So we can use this command, Instagram command, and put it in our keybinds for it to open when a certain key or keys has been hit on the keyboard. So to do this, you can close the terminal first and press your search key or your Windows button on your keyboard and then search for keyboard. You can see that in the settings tab there's a keyboard shortcut, so click on that and this will bring us to all the shortcuts that are available on our Ubuntu system. So we can scroll all the way down and click on the plus icon right at the bottom. So let's name this Open Instagram Desktop Client, and let's click Set Shortcut, and you can select your own shortcut, but I will choose Alt W. And for the command, this is really important. Don't do any caps, simply write ISTEKRAM, Instagram, which is the command we entered in our terminal, and hit add. Make sure it has been added properly, and we can close this off now. So now if I hit Alt W on my keyboard, it should open up our Instagram desktop client, which it does. So now I have showed you how to set up a keybind. The last step is to show you how to uninstall Instagram. So if you feel like uninstalling, open up your terminal again, and we need to simply write in one command for it to uninstall. So once your terminal opens, write in sudo snap remove Instagram, ISTEKRAM, and hit enter. Type in your sudo password properly and hit enter. And let's wait for it to uninstall and remove all the things that it has downloaded from the snapcraft.io servers. You can see that it says Instagram removed, which means we would have successfully removed Instagram, our Instagram desktop client, from our Ubuntu system. So if I type in Instagram, you can see nothing pops up. since we have removed it. And that is pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching.